Moses William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW Design Strategies. And in this video I will show you how you can create your dashboard, NFT dashboard design in Figma. And so in this video I will show you everything about this tutorial and about this dashboard tutorial. You know how you can create the NFT cards and the crafts and these kind of new trendy design in Figma. So watch this video until the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. So let's get started with this tutorial. Have to do just get a new frame from this file. And if you want to learn more about the dashboard, you can check out my other videos. I will provide the link in the description. Also you can check my playlist, dashboard design playlist. You can go there and check out the other videos where I explain everything in very easy way. So go and check out there. And so let's get started with this tutorial. So what you have to do is first of all get the frame. So first get the frame. Approx the size should be 1440. This is standard size, so you always have to get this size. So don't confuse in 1920 or 1440 because 1920 is the full resolution, but the standard size is 1440. So use it everywhere and always. So here, once we get the size, so what we have to do is select the colors. So for dark mode we have to select the dark color, for example this, or you can select the other different color. Sorry. And so you can select different colors like this one. Most probably you can select it from the blue color, right? And if you don't know how to select the colors, then you can also, there are some free color templates, color palettes, so you can go there and get the colors from there. For now I'm getting it from a file, from my original frame. And so once you get this, now we have to write the text above. NFT dashboard, NFT dashboard. Then make the font bigger. It's NFT. So right now it's Joseph and Son. We have to adjust the the font. It should be Lex Indica for this dashboard. So in a previous dashboard I used Joseph and Son. You can also use that. That is also good. So here the logo should be this icon. You have to get the logo from a file. So logo should be this, or just the space between logo and your text, and then adjust the alignment properly. And then we have to create the search bar. So first we take a rectangle and create search bar accordingly. Or we can make it rounded. Now select the color again. For example this color. So you have to check out like which color will match this background. So make it accordingly like this. And you can get the icons from Iconify. It's very it's very good plugin for icons. So you can get any icon from this Iconify plugin. Once you import the icon, then adjust it in your search bar, and then we have to write here search. So go to above text, write here search. And then right now it's semi-bold, we have to make it regular. And then you can reduce the opacity, or you can adjust the color according to the background. So right now it's very bright color, so we have to reduce the opacity. So make sure that always wherever you are using colors and other things, so make sure that you give the priority to your elements and whatever you design. For example, the NFT cards, we will give the more, more awareness to the user to these cards, not the other elements. So make sure that you reduce the opacity or make it accordingly. And so once you're done with this, we have to get the notification icon. And so for notification icon, you can write here notification, and you will see the notification icon here, and you can get anyone, whatever you like, okay, whichever you like, so you can get a notification. For now, my personal suggestion is this one is right now I think trendy, so you can get this icon as well, like this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, so once you get this, we have to create the circle as well for this, right? So here, go to above tools, select circle, then make it back. And how you can make it back, click on shift or right click this, you can send it to back, bring to front, right? And so if you want to learn more about this navigation and other system of Figma, you can check out my other videos. I explain everything in better way there, so you can go there and check out my other videos as well. Okay, so once you create this notification bell, we have to adjust the size a little bit. Okay, and now it's good. Again, we have to go two rectangles like this for the wallet address. We have to add here. You can also make the auto layout to all your components, all your design elements, because it's important, right, to make auto layout. Okay, so it will help you to it will save your time, right? So that's why it's important. Like this is happening by auto layout. So you can see my right side panel, how I adjusting the auto layout settings. So I will get another separate video for auto layout design as well. So I also created the auto layout design video. You can check out that video as well on my channel, right? So now make it blue, and you can write text here as well. You can write here the wallet address, for example. You can write mixing both letters and both words and letters, both words and numbers, right? And also make it copy icon here, however, but we don't need copy, but I'm just putting the copy icon as well here, but sometimes we need it, right? So make it auto layout as well, right? So once you create the above nav section, we have to create the other below section like cards, NFT cards, sidebar, and other sections, right? So for that we have to get the icons. So for icons, you can get the icons from Iconify. Search here home, you will see the home icon, multiple home icons. You can see the graph icon. If I search graph, you can see a different graph icons. So for now, without wasting any time, just getting it from a file to save time and show you everything quickly. But this shape, I will show you how you can create that shape. So once you get all the icons, you can put it here like this. And now we have to create this shape. So for shape, you can go to pen tool and select pen tool, and here you can create this kind of shape like this. So make sure that your shape should be equal from both sides, right, like this. Like this, you can create the shape and fill this, and you can change the color to blue. That's how you can create the shape here for making it more beautiful and visually looking better. You can create this kind of shape, right? And also we have to create the bottom icon. For bottom icon, you can select the circle, and here you can adjust the color as well. For example, this purple, and get the icon from Iconify like this, forward icon. So you can see different forward icons, you can get anyone, right? Like this one. You can adjust it accordingly, properly, right? And now we have to create the cards, NFT cards, another section. Now we have to create the cards, NFT cards, right? So for cards you can get the rectangle. So again we have to get the rectangles, but before this I will write the text here, like top NFTs, main heading, right? Top and NFTs. And so make it a little bit bigger, right? For example 24, you can adjust the size to 24, right? And reduce the color opacity, or you can adjust the colors accordingly according to the background, right? And make it semi bold or bold. And now we have to get the we have to create the icons as well. So go to plugins, select Iconify, you can search here forward icon. You will see there are multiple forward and backward icons, right? I use this one, so I will get this. And another thing, we have to select the circle, this one, right? Adjust your circle and icons accordingly, and make your circle blue according to a theme color like this, and the icon should be white in color. Flip your circle. First of all, duplicate your circle and then flip it, so it will create another backward circle for you, right? And so here we have to make it stock, not fill, and reduce the opacity like this. So our forward and backward icon is ready. Now we have to create the cards. So for cards, what you have to do, for cards you can go to above tools, select rectangle, and create this kind of card, for example like this, and round your cards more than 50 or more than 45. So you can round it like this, and you can also rotate it a little bit like this. Change your cards color to purple like this one, and the main card should be big, the center one should be big always, because right now it is on the position of viewing position. So when I forward or backward, the other cards will come up, right? So you can adjust it accordingly. So it should be more bigger than the other one, right? And for NFT icons, how you can get the NFT 3D icons or 3D objects, so I will also show you that as well after creating these cards. So make it blue, and the other card should be little bit more, little light blue, right? Like this. So now these cards, our card is ready, cards are ready, right? And now we have to get the NFTs, 3D NFTs. For 3D NFTs, how you can go to community easily and select there and you can write there free NFT shapes or 3D objects. You will get multiple things, multiple objects file. And so for now you can see this one. So this is 20 free shapes 3D, right? 3D objects. So you can get this file as well from community. And so here you can see multiple orange, yellow, pink, purple 3D icons, 3D objects. So you can get anyone like this. In my previous video, previously I get this, so you can get this as well. this good, right? For showing purpose it's good, right? These 3D objects are good, right? So you can adjust it, you can adjust the color as well, like this. So right now it's blue, so you can change the color accordingly here. And now we have to write the text. The below text should be like the name of this object, for example 3D NFT, 3D NFT, and right now it's again we have to write it 3D NFT. So make your cards and objects group, right? And also make sure that it's under the frame, because if it doesn't under the frame, then it won't go back side of this card, right? So make sure that it's under the frame, under this whole dashboard, right? So you can check out this layer panel and see if it's under the frame or not. And now we have to write the text. So here text you can write 3D NFT, NFTs, right? Reduce the size to 36 or 34. You can add for the main, the center card, right? And also we have to write the price. So price you can write 0.03 ETH or BTC. Make it a little bit smaller, 14 or 16 size you can keep, right? And one more thing we have to add is the icon for the wallet icon, for example MetaMask or Solana, sorry, the Ethereum or Solana, right? ETH. So you'll see multiple ETH icon like this. So now I'm getting it from a file to show you everything quickly, right? Because I want to make this video more longer. Okay, just want to show you the main things of this video, the cards and other things, right? So you can rotate it accordingly. You can rotate the text, right? Like this is for now. We have to keep plus minus in minus rotation. So make sure that it's not scrollable. If you fix the position here, if you fix this position, then it won't go backside of this card. So make sure that this tick should not be fill, right? And then the Solana icon should be around it, should be rotated like this, right? And this Ethereum icon also adjusted equally. So make sure all these things, right? So once you design the cards, now we have to create the other section of this dashboard, make it all this group, or you can make the components of this. So for components, you can, I will create more videos for components as well, how you can create components and the full design system, how you can create the design system in Figma. So I will create that video and the more series of that particular topic later in my other videos in future, right? So make sure that you subscribe my channel as well for that videos, because once you subscribe you will always get notified like which video I post every week. So the main graph here for our activities section, right? So for graph you can select the rectangle again, and you can create the rectangle like this, right? so it should be equal from both sides. And then you can adjust the rectangle shapes. For example, it should be like this. You can adjust the shapes, okay, because we have to make the selected graph for each tab. So this is kind of like a tab design I'm creating. So this is more trendy design here in today's time, or this year. This is more trendy, so you can make this, like you can make it accordingly. You can again select this color. As I told you, you can select the color according to a background color, right, like this, and it should be more bigger. The tab should be more bigger. And now we have to add the text and other graph elements here. So for now I'm just getting the tabs text here, and just show you the main graph, how you can create the main graph design, right, because this is, you can create yourself, right, so we don't have to I don't have to explain everything to you, right, because you know how you can create the text and everything, right. So these are small things you can create yourself. It's not a very big issue, right. You can adjust the size. You can also adjust the other elements, rectangles, right. And now we have to create the graph. So for graph you can select the line tool like this, or you can select the pen tool as well, but pen tool is more effective than line, because on this pen tool you can create one shape like this, 3, 4. So make sure that it should be equal, right. I'm just creating it randomly for show you quickly, right, like this. And you can select the linear pattern for this lines, right. So the bottom color should be white, and the above color should also be white, and just flip it like this. Reduce the opacity. It should be like this, right. So reduce the opacity, and you will see this kind of effect, design effect here. And now we have to create the graph, the line graph here, right, curved line graph. So here you can select the line graph like this, right, and make your line colorful, like blue one. It should be blue, right, and make your line more bolder, right, like this. And the second line should be purple, right, so it should be purple. Like this. And once you make your lines, now we have to again we have to create it transparency we have to add here, right, for example like this. Now you can make it transparent like this. From both sides it should be transparent to make it more better, like this. Okay, same for the second line. You can reduce the opacity from both side color and just keep the one keep the one opacity for the center one, and the other two opacity should be disabled. So that's how you can create the graph, graph more better and more visually appealing to the user, right? So this is more trendy way in this time, so you can use these trends here in your design or in your projects, right? And other things, you have to add other things as well. For example, the side text, y-axis and x-axis, right? And after that we have to create this section, the wallets and transaction created section. So for wallets we have to get the rectangle and make the rectangle like this, adjust your corners, make a corner rounded, and the color should be linear. For example, it should be the color according to the background. I told you how you can select it, so you can adjust the color, right, like this. And right here the text, total balanced amount, or how much amount you have in your wallet. So you can write this text like main balance, right? And you can write the main balance should be anything, any random text you can add, dummy text you can write, right? Example, it should be 239k, right? And make it white. Below we have to write the name of the particular user, particular wallet owner, right? So name should be the owner name. For example, David John. You can write David John. And below we have to write the David John wallet address, right? So you can write any wallet address, any random wallet address you can write or copy from Google. For example, it should be this one. You can write anything, right? And the copy icon also should be beside to this wallet address, right? So make a copy icon blue like this. You can make it group, and you can also add more shapes to this wallet, because we have to make the wallet more better and creative. So you can give more shapes, circles, right? And other elements, UI elements you can put here, right? For example, this. And now we have to create the Ethereum icon, Ethereum and Bitcoin icon for showing the main balance, right? So Ethereum icon should be blue, as I made it blue, right? Background always should be blue. And below we have to create the Bitcoin icon, right? For Bitcoin icon I'm just copy and paste for my original frame, right? And right here ETH, its volume and name, right? Ethereum and the name and the volume should be accordingly. So once you're done with this, now we have to create the button. So button should be always select the text. Right here you can write here withdrawal, withdraw text as like here, add funds and withdraw funds. So make it auto layout, shift A, and now we have to make it fill. Adjust your fill and adjust your auto layout. Now create it white and the background should be blue. It should be blue like this, and adjust your auto layout button size, right, and make it rounded buttons. Also it should be bigger like this. Same, we have to create another button, add funds button, right. You can enter add funds, and it should be stock fill, right. The button should be stock button, not the fill button, right. So once you add the buttons, now we have to create another section for creator section. Creator, you can get the first of all write the main heading creators, top creators, right, top NFT creators who create NFTs. So right here top creators, right, and adjust your text accordingly. You can now select the rectangle and create the rectangle for their images, for creator image, right, and make your rectangle rounded like this, and write the name of those creators. For example, the name should be David John, or we can write here Jessica Dave, and below we have to write their username, for example Jessica Dave, right. And you can also write their NFT post, how many NFTs they have posted. So you can write the number beside this name. So you can write any number, right. For example 20 plus NFTs she has created, so you can write it accordingly. You can adjust the alignment of your circle from the above tools, right, and make it pure white and make it transparent accordingly, right. And you can go to content trail plugin, and here you can get the multiple images, 3D images, other images. So this is the best plugin tool for images and other dummy text and email name, etc. So you can write here 3D and you will see the multiple 3D avatars. You can get it any of these avatars, right, for your design. For example, it's loading right now. Select your rectangle and you will see, and select the avatar from this content reel plugin, and you will see the avatar here, it's created, right. And then you can adjust your alignment and everything, right, and then duplicate your avatars like this 1 or 2 times for dashboard. And you can change the avatar images. Go to again plugins, go to content reel, and then right here 3D, and you will see multiple 3D avatars, and you can select any of these avatars from this tool. So that's how you can create this NFT, this NFT dashboard design in Figma. So I hope you learn, and I hope you learn all the NFT design a new trendy design of these NFTs and the 3D objects, how you can mix up your design with 3D objects and create a amazing and the beautiful design for your users, for your clients, right? In your project you can work more better way, right, with these 3D objects and with these shapes and design trends. So that's how you can create this NFT dashboard design in Figma. So hope you like and enjoy this video and learn all about this design. And if you really like this, then please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed and haven't watched any other videos, then go and watch my other videos as well for more knowledge and for learning more the design, the design ideas, how you can generate the multiple ideas for design and create the best and creative design on your own. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in next video. Bye.